This video shows how to mirror your iPhone screen to Tesla with TesDisplay. First, enable cellular data. Then, enable Personal Hotspot of this iPhone. Now, we launch TesDisplay. Tap the Start button, choose Phone Screen, tap Start Broadcast. When started, we should see the app started a VPN connection. Now we turn to Tesla's screen. First we connect Tesla to my personal hotspot. Input the hotspot password and enter to connect. After connected, we should change Wi-Fi settings. Check, remain connected in drive. If not checked, you cannot mirror your phone screen while driving. Finally, we access TesDisplay.com in web browser. You can see my iPhone screen on Tesla's screen now. Thank you for watching.